Hello my loves, how are ya? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Zina. Today I'll show you how to make this super easy, lazy but elegant looking hairstyle. We'll begin by making a parting on the side we like, and then we're going to brush backwards the rest of our hair. Now we want to select our top section like I'm showing, leaving away our back underneath section like I'm showing here. So we'll use it later, but with upper section we'll make a ponytail. But the last time, make sure to pull your hair only halfway through, creating this bun. Then you want to divide all your underneath hair into two, and with the ends of our ponytail we want to wrap it around it and tuck it into the elastic underneath like I'm showing. Then you want to grab one of these sections, brush it with your fingers or using a comb and bring it upwards and making an opening through the created ponytail. We want to bring it underneath, and we want to repeat on other side. Also you want to bring it through the first section like I'm showing here, so there are not bumps created. Then you want to tie these sections using a clear elastic and make sure to pull your hair halfway through until you have no more hair, like so, creating a small bubble bun and pin it underneath of created big bun. Want to loosen these sections, use some hairspray to fix it if you need, and they're basically done. Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this super lazy quick hairstyle that you can do in minutes but looks so elegant. I love it. Guys, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified every time I post a new video. Love you guys so much. I'll see you soon. Mwah. Bye.
Eso me pasa, mami, por quererte ver mientras eras ajena y también tu piel.